Welcome to my class student. It's class 8 English Honeydew. We are doing chapter 4 Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory, and this is session 7 and this is question answer session. Let's see what are the questions and what are the answers. Comprehension check, page number 62. Why did the man stare at Bipin Babu in disbelief? The man stared at Bipin Babu in disbelief because Bipin Babu did not recognize him, even though he was sure that he knew him and had met him in Ranchi. Where did Bipin Babu say he went in October 58? Bipin Babu said that he spent the puja holidays in 58 with a friend in Kanpur. Mention any 3 things that Parimal Ghosh knew about Bipin Babu. Parimal Ghosh knew following things about Bipin Babu. That Bipin Babu slept near Hudru Fall and hurt his leg. That Bipin Babu stayed in a bungalow because he preferred food by Babuji. That Bipin Babu's wife died 10 years ago. 3 things are here. You can add more. That his brother died out of mental illness and that he loved reading books and always he keeps books with him whenever he is on tour. Now, why did Bipin Babu worry about what Parimal Ghosh had said? Bipin Babu continuously worried about what Parimal Ghosh had said because he has shown that he knew many intimate facts about him. He knew about the bag of books, his wife's death and his brother's insanity. Considering that Parimal Ghosh knew so much about him, Bipin Babu couldn't say with conviction that he was making a mistake about the Ranchi trip. See, the entire thing is written there, everything is there in the story. You will have to only change the way of writing. Each and every detail you will have to present in your answer. How did he try to decide who was right, his memory or Parimal Ghosh? He tried to decide whether his memory was right or Parimal Ghosh by looking at his right knee, where Parimal had claimed that there would be a cut. There was certainly a mark of an old cut. However, he could not decide if the cut was the result of his fall in Ranchi or due to some incident in his childhood. Then he decided to ask Dinesh Mukherjee, who according to Parimal Ghosh was with him in Ranchi. He felt that asking him would put an end to his confusion. So why did Bipin Babu hesitate to visit Mr. Mukherjee? Why did he finally decide to phone him? Bipin Babu hesitated to visit Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee because he was afraid of the ruthless sarcasm he would have to face. He felt that if the whole story about Ranchi was false, then Mr. Mukherjee would think that he had gone insane. Being constantly troubled by the incident at the bookshop and having no other means for verifying the claims of Parimal Ghosh, he finally decided to ask Mr. Mukherjee. However, he decided to phone him because that way his embarrassment would be visible to the letter. What did Mr. Mukherjee say? Did it comfort Bipin Babu or add to his worries? Mr. Mukherjee, after checking his diary, said that they had visited Ranchi in October 58. This added to Bipin Babu's worries as he could not figure out how he could possibly have forgotten about that trip. Now, who was Chunilal? What did he want from Bipin Babu? Chunilal was an old schoolmate of Bipin Babu. He had been having a rough time lately and had been coming to see Bipin Babu for a job. Why was Dr. Chanda puzzled? What was unusual about Bipin Babu's loss of memory? Dr. Chanda was puzzled because he had never dealt with a case such as Bipin Babu. It was outside his field of experience. The unusual thing about Bipin Babu's case was that he remembered everything in his past except for one particular incident. Dr. Chanda said that Bipin Babu must have been to Ranchi. However, due to some unknown reason, the entire episode had slipped out of his mind. Now, had Bipin Babu really lost his memory and forgotten all about the trip to Ranchi? No, Bipin Babu had not really lost his memory and forgotten all about the trip to Ranchi. It was a trick played by Chunilal. Why do you think Chunilal did what he did? Chunilal says he has no money. What is it that he does have? Chunilal did what he did because Bipin Babu did not help him at a time when he had no money and required a job. However, Bipin Babu did not do anything for him. So he wanted to punish him by rekindling haunting memory of his fall near Hudru. Chunilal seems to be a good writer with very fertile imagination. That is what he believes would help him to tide over his bad phase. He had written a novel. Now, the author described Bipin Babu as a serious and hard-working man. What evidence can you find in the story to support this? The author had described Bipin Babu as a serious and hard-working man. He worked daily in his office. It was a big firm and was doing the responsible job. He had been with the firm for 25 years. He had a reputation for being a tireless, conscientious worker. Now, why did Bipin Babu change his mind about meeting Chunilal? What was the result of this meeting? Bipin Babu changed his mind about meeting Chunilal because he thought that it might be possible that the latter remembered something about the Ranchi trip. When Chunilal confirmed that Bipin Babu had been to Ranchi, Bipin Babu decided to see a specialist doctor. See, even Chunilal had confirmed. Bipin Babu lost consciousness at Hudru Fall. What do you think was the reason for this? Bipin Babu lost consciousness at Hudru Fall because he had a fall. He had broken his hip. How do you think Bipin Babu reacted when he found out that Chunilal had tricked him? After finding out that Chunilal had tricked him, Bipin Babu must have been filled with remorse for his unfeeling behavior towards an old friend down on his luck. See, within inverted comma, we have written because this is the word said by the characters in the story. He would have realized that he had indeed been a victim of forgetfulness, as he had forgotten the meaning of friendship in a time of affluence. See, and he had forgotten the meaning of friendship. So, forgetfulness is really a disease that has attacked him. Now, given below a jumbled sentence, working in groups, rearrange the words in each sentence to form correct sentence. Now, idiomatic expressions are there in each sentences. Stop and tell me beating about what you want the bush. See, in a jumbled way it's written, you will have to complete it. Stop beating about the bush and tell me what you want. Now, idiom is beating about the bush and it meaning avoiding the main topic, not coming straight to the point. Don't pay if you attention, you might the wrong train to the announcement board. If you don't pay attention to the announcement, you might board the wrong train. Pay attention, that is listen carefully. The village tried the crime on the young women to pin. The villagers tried to pin the crime on the young women. Pin the crime, that is place the responsibility of the crime. Bipin Babu orders to telling people under love doctors cheerily that he was. That Bipin Babu loved telling people that he was under doctor's orders to eat early. Idiom under doctor's orders, in complete necessity. The student, the teachers, his eyebrows when said that all their lessons raised, they had revised. The teacher raised his eyebrows when the student said that they had revised all their lessons. Raised his eyebrow, expressed doubt, surprise. Now, what have you learned? We have learned in these chapters all the answers to the questions. Go through the answers, learn it, write it, and revise it again and again. We will meet in the next class with a new chapter. Have a good day. Thank you.